Hello investors, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, let's see how you can open mutual fund investment account by following these simple steps. First of all, you need to visit the investment.com website. Once you visit the website, you'll get this page. Here, you need to click on open a free account. Here, you need to verify your email ID by OTP. Now, you need to create a password as per the given instructions. Ensure all the instructions are covered while creating a password. Further, similarly verify your mobile number through OTP. After entering OTP, click on Continue to set a PIN. Now, create a 4-digit PIN, confirm the same and click on Submit. With this, now you are all set with your login credentials for investment account. To proceed, kindly check the details and keep these documents handy with you. Now here, you need to select mutual fund as a segment of investment. However, you can select others also if you wish to open a Demat account and trade. Click on this checkbox if you are a Bank of India customer. Once done, click on Continue button. Here you need to upload your passport size picture. Click on Write if the picture seems okay for you, or else retake it by clicking on back arrow. Once done, click on Continue button. In step 3, you need to enter a picture of your signature as per instructions. Click on the right and then continue to proceed. Next step is to verify your PAN card. Here, you need to just upload your PAN card picture. Similarly, click on right icon and continue to proceed. Now, fill up the data for KYC registration. KYC means Know Your Customer. It is just a one-time process. Enter your PAN card number. Enter your date of birth in a day, month, year format. Similarly, enter other details like name as per PAN card, your gender, father's name and address. You can also add correspondence address. If it's the same as permanent address, then just click on this checkbox. Then click on Continue to proceed. Now, to verify your bank details, upload cancel check that has your name printed on the same. Here, ensure all the details are clearly visible, like your account number, MICR code and IFSC code. Now, enter your bank details manually to do a double check. After entering all details, just click on Continue. You need to upload a photo ID and address proof. For example, you are uploading Aadhaar card as ID proof. Then you need to upload the front and back side of the same. At the end, enter your Aadhaar number and click on Continue to proceed. Now, you need to record an IPV video. Before starting, just read and follow these instructions. Basically, be ready with your Aadhaar and PAN card. To get the demo video, you just need to click on sample video. One more thing, don't skip the IPV video as it's mandatory for each and every investor. After this, enter your investment details and income details, like such as investment experience, annual income, net worth and mode of holding. Then enter your source of income and home country. Also, you need to appoint a nominee. To appoint a nominee, just click on this checkbox and enter your nominee details along with the address. If the nominee's address is same as above, just click on this checkbox. Don't miss to specify nominee percentage of allocation. For example, in case of one nominee, allocate the whole 100% to him or her. At the end, click on Continue and reconfirm again to proceed. At last, to verify your details, click on Show Preview of Mutual Fund Form. Also, give your consent to open an online account by clicking on this checkbox. To submit your application, just click on Yes and wait for the PDF of your application to get downloaded. Once downloaded, review the whole PDF once. That's it. With this, you are all done with your eKYC. Now, after this, you just need to complete e-sign process. It is a short and simple process, and we are here to help you with that too. So stay tuned for the same. For more such informative videos, hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get the notification for upcoming video. Thank you so much for choosing us to fulfill your dreams. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and be financially aware.